President Biden, the almighty president, the man above all men, the man wey una don choose, una don elevate, una don abeg which other English? This man as I dey talk to una now, he don collapse. Make I use that big grammar abeg. He follow. Serious falling on this one, no be this one. He fall serious one as he dey climb wetin they call am Air Force presidential plane. Matter reach me say he dey go Atlanta to meet Asian American leaders. According to them, they say racism matter dey for that side, so they bin get meeting. So as he dey climb the staircase for the plane, omo. Come see person. I can't dey think say this man don take something. Whether I take, you understand, all those. I can't understand. He dey stagger abi dey fall. Now till I check am well. I see say this man 3 good times. Oh, 3 good times. He fall, he get up. He fall, he get up. The last one, if I no even feel hold himself again, na so. I don't bring a corner aside, so because for now we never see an old man falling before. Join me, make we watch Joe Biden. Abeg, how many of una dey laugh the way? Like people don dey complain about this man since. Say he's sick oh, hey he's sick oh, hey nobody dey believe. People don dey bring this matter up since. Even during election, they say he no even fit do anything. Trump even talk am, Donald Trump talk am. People, the media go defend it. He say no, na because of COVID oh. Say na the COVID dey cause am. Na this and this. No, see am. He is very strong. He is this one. All of una wey dey defend am. I don bring am because I don tire to dey hear una too dey talk. And I no dey like people wey dey talk without proof. They go just get press conference like that too. Honorary speech. And okay, make we just leave it like that. They go put the speech for screen in front of am, so that go they see wetin go they talk. My people, even that one, this man he no fit see am. In fact, if una ask me, hey, even see, he sabi for pass the way they talk. Una never see this man when he dey give speech or he dey do something. Now that time una go come understand. Why una eye just dey close for this life? Una no dey see say this man don old. We want Biden. Una remove Trump, go put old cargo. Nah, see am. See person wey go rule una now. 3 good times. Assuming na once. Una go tell me say, Madam Aproko, everybody falls down now. Is a mistake now. Is 3 oh. Abi una wan make a play am again. No. Una go just dey come outside, dey talk. As I dey see this whole matter now, last, they go just go put escalator for Air Force One so that it go make am easy for this man today. Una never say anything. We are just starting this one. This one are just the beginning. And I know say after this small fall wey don fall like this, hey, come see hospital. They go check, no part of him body where they no go check, even the tongue, they go put the tongue, do test. Because the bones, are they sure say by now the bones don't finish? break. I beg Donald Trump, because enjoy yourself, you understand? They have gotten what they wanted. I mean, they remove you, they put, let them dance to the music they are playing. Una never say anything. We go continue to the dance with Una. No be Biden. Una go there abide by the Biden. Don't worry. My people are better the matter be this. So I say I no fit swallow this pea too big for me to swallow alone. I say I go bring am come here so that Una go see. And the people where they doubting Thomas, then too they go go see say this man need help. So I don't bring her. Wait till una gas talk concerning this one. Una see the falling, abi una no see the falling. Make una talk through, no con dey support person, very, very important. And make sure say you share this video, drop your comments, I go reply na one by one, and subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you go dey miss matters like this. Stay tuned for our next story. Special adviser to Governor Ben Ayade, my people. This one now on education matter. Him name na Castro Ezama abeg. He talk say more than 60% of the girls wey dey secondary school for Cross River State, they say they no be virgins, according to am. And this matter happen because they begin one program like that for radio. So in come outside, when they talk about government effort to improve standard of education in Cross River State. Now, so he bring this matter, in come they tell us say the level of what do they call it, sexual intercourse between different students. They say girls now they feel like multiple partners. Say they just they do. So because of that, he say. Since more than 60%, they no be virgins. My people now say, I say, make I bring this matter come aside because me, I get many things where I want to talk about this case. First of all, bring this virginity detector outside. Bring Castro, make you answer my question because I get serious. Baba only Baba. Hey, make I sit down well first. I don't know say you don't change your duty from a special advisor to commissioner of virginity affairs. I no be know, my people, we don't get another title now for now. We no commissioner of virginity affairs. Bros, with your head will be like about where they no mold where. Because how you take no say these people no be virgins? Start to answer me, as you can see, I'm a very busy person. So start to answer me. So now be say you dey tell us now say you don't take where you they enter all the corners of all the girls for Cross River State. Hey! Obia. My people, now some people they come outside, they leak secret without them knowing. No, how this man take no say these girls no be virgins again. We need arrest am. Serious arrest for the investigation where this man don't carry out in order to know say something don't enter that place. So instead of make these people they focus on their job, obviously say they don't even get job because even their job, because according to matter na educational matters. I beg, how many educational facilities these people don't provide for students? How many? Una no go focus on una job, una they change from one thing to another. Now to the count virgins now, abi? No, now to the count from education things now. Una they count virgin. I beg me, my advice for this man, Mr. Castro. Even if you are the most jobless person in this world or in this Nigeria, you know if you start to play Candy Crush. If you don't get any work to do at all, carry your phone, my brother. They play Candy Crush. Now go they enter all these small girls finish. They enter and then come outside behind the scene. They speak English. I mean, I think say we will be foolish. How you take no me? I be make person answer me because until I get answer, I'm not go dey satisfied for this matter. Parents, if you know say you get pikin for that school, you know, I don't even need to talk. Go and do the needful. Remove am fast before we go here say shakara do endo. You don't carry belle shakara because na the next thing we go hear. We go just hear say special advisor. Though in fact they plan marry 100 girls. Because all of them go carry. So I beg go carry your pikin from that school. This one I just see na simple thing, na sign they just can't give una. More than 60% of the girls, they are not virgins. They are Nigeria, misplaced priorities, misplaced positions. Everybody don't they? In fact, nobody even know their job again. No, what do you expect? Police don't they do what do they call them? Road people work. People where they control cars. People where they control cars now don't they do lawyer work. Rapists now don't they? In fact, everybody just turn upside down. My people, na the matter be this. Me, I no fit kill myself for anything. And as I hear this one, I say una must hear am, because this man definitely he don do something with all these girls. So I say make I bring am come una side. Anything wey you gats talk concerning this thing, because I know say my people, una no dey form my hand. Never I don moment with una. I know say una get plenty things to talk. So start dey drop am for that comment section. I go reply una one by one. And make sure say you share this video. Cross River State people must know say this man don dey enter the place. You understand? Very, very important. And make sure say you subscribe. If not, you're not going to get interesting matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.